Retribution.
Retribution.
One bent on retribution.
And avoid retribution.
Retribution for Rifkin's execution.
With crucifixion!
A righteous infliction of retribution.
Do you want retribution, Anyanka?
It's time for retribution, bro.
Are you afraid of retribution?
It's retribution for his wrongdoings.
Went in search of retribution.
Mine was retribution! What are you doing?
Destroy LA in divine retribution.
And felt the urge for retribution.
Prospect of Mr. Conacher's retribution.
Attack is most likely retribution for Nassar's death.
And as if this wasn't enough retribution for Kelly.
Make good boys afraid of divine retribution.
And when I lost her, I promised myself retribution.
You are the Lord God of retribution.
With it, the promise of healing instead of retribution.
But I am still planning to get some retribution.
There's going to be retribution. Oh, he's going to pay.
Don't get so carried away with your retribution.
Then history will take its revenge and retribution will not limp.
These are people you squash and kill with no retribution.
Rebels will not stop calling for retribution.
And now he demands retribution in blood.